Viva Pizzition!
Maayong adlaw mga ka-wonder, hope you all have a beautiful day. And today we are here in the southern part of the province of Negros Occidental to experience the enchanting and one of the most vibrant and culturally rich festivals in the Philippines, the Sinulog de Kabankalan Festival. Iningin yung malagan si Radyoman Patrick Bucabal, your
Wandering Negrense!
your passport to the world's most enchanting festival destination. Join me in this episode as we explore the streets filled with energy, colors, and the rhythmic beats of the drums.
Happy Sinulog Festival! Happy Sinulog Festival! Woo! Happy Sinulog Festival! Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva! Viva! Viva!
Alright, so mga ka-wonder, maaga pa tayo dito sa Kabankalan, like around 4 a.m. to experience their fluvial parade, which is actually the real essence of why Kabankalanon celebrate the Sinulog Festival. Tradition have it that the forefathers of this community who are residing along the coastal areas always ginaatake sa mga Moro pirates. In their collective consciousness, it became a deeply ingrained belief that the Santo Niño save them from those difficult times.
Ang fluvial parade nila diriga sugod sa may Barangay Talubangi, Tulugway, cruising Ilog Hilabangan River, kag diri ginatabok ang Santo Niño. Then madritso kita sa Burgos, dito sila madritso, katuwa naton.
Sinulog de Kabankalan isn't just about festivities. It also has a strong religious significance. The solemn religious fluvial parade is a beautiful sight, with devotees carrying images of the Santo Niño, offering prayers, and expressing their faith. This festivity, beyond its cultural significance, serves as a unifying force for the community, fostering a sense of togetherness as they join in a communal prayer for blessings and protection during the festivities.
Be the safest person that we can be to everyone. That is the best gift that we can give to all the people, not just Filipinos, but people all over the world. The Lord is often told as the Good Shepherd. The Good Shepherd. What does a Good Shepherd do? Bring safety to the flock. Bring the flock to the green pastures. Bring the flock to where they could be the bests of themselves. Lord, make me a person who is safest to everyone. Kay maski diin ta magkadto, if we are safest people to meet other people, the peace, the reconciliation, the love, the care will be always with us. Kabay pa magmalipayon kita subong nga adlaw, but malipayon in a safety environment.
Happy
Alright, so mga ka-wonder, nagsugod ng ilang street dancing competition kag napulo katribo ang mag-compete sa sini nga Sinulog Festival 2024. Hi! Alright, so
naglayo,
mga
no?
ka-wonder,
Ang aton
behind
na
me is the last entry the competing tribe sa Sinulog Festival diri sa Kabankalan.
May lang
mga
palihog,
around 2
no?
PM,
Kaya nga ito, may
ma-start
arap
naman
kita
sa
entry
arena
number 10.
competition. Ang winning
Yes,
tribe
please.
sa arena competition will receive 120,000 pesos.
Okay,
and 2 million
please.
of project sa ila nga barangay sa winning tribe. Nag-enjoy kita diri sa street dance competition. Medyo kagina, mainit, but subong medyo okay na ang chimpo. I hope mangin amo lang ni may liwalas lang ang chimpo, no, pagka
Once again, ladies and
pagkatapos sa may
gentlemen,
arena
madamo,
competition.
madamo.
So yeah, nag-enjoy kami ng mga vloggers dire, mga kaupod ko. Kumusta yung mga sag na okay lang. Alright, paano ba lang na mga dugay-dugay, mapauway lang kami, ma-lunch, and then proceed naman kita sa arena competition. Kakaupod ko subong si Bongski Travel. Alright, ayaw masaya kayo naka-uniform sa Santo Negros. Later ako man Kasi na yung mag-review pa kami sa kay Mayor Benji. So mga ka-wonder, dugay-dugay naman, ma-kanto sa arena competition nila. Sa mga ka-wonder, quick pause. Let me share this with you. Blue Turna Plus Capsule.
This food supplement helps boost my immune system and protects me from potential illnesses, especially when you're in crowded places. So mga ka-wonder, give it a try. You have nothing to lose, but rather you stand to gain and improve your health. For those who want to avail, grab it online at Kalusugan Yan Facebook page and also available in Shopee and local pharmacy.
So now, let's get back to our topic.
Lamitanay is one of the traditions sa Sinulog de Kabankalan Festival. Kag wala gitaya kalusot mga ka-wonder, no? And actually, I'm happy to be part of it.
Kabankalan! Hello! Hinay lang!
Alright, so kanina, pag wala ginagtapos ang street dance, kanina, din na kami nagdiretso sa Old City Hall for lunch, interview kay Mayor Benji Miranda. Na-notice ko kanina, no, kung nila ka-tradition is kapag lamhit sa imong guya or sa imong lawas, ka-very respectful sa mga tao na lamitan ako. And when I said nga may ara na, wala na sila yaga pwersa or miski magtalikod ka nga do ginalamitan ka nga without permission. Andiri ka will behave ang mga taga Kabangkalan.
Mayong aga, no? Mayong udto na sa tanan. Salamat sa inyo pagkanto, pagbisita diri sa syudad sa Kabangkalan, no? Ini si Mayor Benji Miranda ka nagapangagda pagit sa mga aton mga kauturan daw sa mga nearby cities, municipalities nga kung pwede maglagaw ka mo, magbisita, magsinadya kita diri sa aton sa amon nga 48 Sinulog sa Kabangkalan nga may tima sa padayon nga mapinasalamaton Senior Santo Niño kami imo hugpungon, no? Ay na magbisita kagamay damo kita subo mga innovation, mga pagbago sa aton nga selebrasyon. Kung sa nagligad, may ara lang kita 8 tribes, no? 8 ka barangay nag-participate. Subong may ara lang kita 10 ka tribo, no? Ka barangay. Kag nagdugang man kita sang ilang mga assistants, no? Sa nagligad, gisubong ginimo naton nga 1 million ang ilang assistants. Kag mga dagko ang aton nga mga prizes para sa ila. Para sa champion, may ara kita 2 million worth of project. Sa aton first runner-up, may ara 1.5. And ang aton second runner-up may ara sa 1 million worth of project. Kag may mga cash packet sila nga magabaton. So gani, sigurado mag-enjoy gid ang tagsa ka mga bisita nga magkanto dire Sa mga wala pa nakalagaw, try nyo man. Visit Kabankalan and experience Kabankalan now. Salamat! Viva Senyor Santo Niño! Ipadayo ng pagbago para tanan may asensyo.
We are here at Kabankalan Public Plaza at the arena competition. The energy here is electrifying and great din naman ang audience natin. They're excited for the arena competition. Again, 10 competing tribes ang compete sa tubong Sinulog de Kabankalan Festival. I'm sure nga excited na kamo. So mga ka-wonder, let's ready. Ang contest number 1, ready naman.
As the arena competition continues, I noticed that the dance narratives of each competing group revolved around the rivalry between two tribes, the attacks by Moro pirates, and the story of chieftain Manyabog against the Spanish forces led by Governor Emilio Sarabia. Additionally, the dance narrative depicts the traditional way of life of the Aita or the indigenous people, highlighting hunting practices, the conversion of Christianity, and in honor of Señor Santo Niño, and the revolution in the sugar industry in the province of Negros Occidental. The incorporation of various historical and cultural elements into the dance narratives of the arena competition of Sinulog de Kabankalan reflects a rich tapestry of the region's heritage and struggles. It serves as a powerful reminder of the resilience and diversity of the people, showcasing their experiences ranging from tribal conflicts and external threats to societal transformations and economic shifts. Though these performers, audiences are not only entertained but also enlightened about the intricate layers of history and tradition that have shaped the identity of the Kabankalanon. Overall, the competition stands as a celebration of heritage, unity, and enduring spirit of the community. Throughout this enchanting spectacle, we were not just spectators, but participants in a tapestry of smiles and hospitality woven together by the warmth of the community. The Sinulog de Kabankalan has been more than just a festival. It has been a testament to the resilience and spirit of the people, a testament to their unwavering devotion to their heritage and traditions. Thank you, Kabankalan, for welcoming us, for sharing your traditions, and for reminding us that in the dance of life, every step is a celebration. Mabuhay ang Sinulog de Kabankalan, mabuhay ang Kabankalan. Viva Señor Santo Niño!
Alright, so and there you have it mga ka-wonder. Sinulog de Kabankalan Festival is an incredible celebration of culture, faith, and community spirit. I hope you enjoyed this journey with me. If you ever get the chance to visit Kabankalan City during this festival this January, don't ever miss it. Okay, so if you like this vlog, please give it a like and feel free to leave a comment. If you're not already part of the community, please follow my Facebook page in YouTube and hit the subscribe button so you will be updated. It's been an absolute pleasure with you guys. I'll see you in the next one. This is Rajuman Patrick Bucabal, your wandering Negrense, signing off from the vibrant Sinulog Kabankalan Festival. Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva, viva, viva!